Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a pickup? Here's a clean one right here. This is the 2015 Ford F-150. Stock number is 7416. Let's give you that virtual video walk around of this truck. Up close and personal. So you can tell it does have the tonneau covering. Keep your possessions protected and safe. No scratches, no dents, no dings on the exterior. It does have the FX4 off-road package. And if you got friends or family traveling with you, you're going to see all the ample legroom here in the rear. No scratches, no rips, no tears on the interior. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed on her. There's that backup camera fully loaded. And just over 30,000 miles. Easy access to all the controls, as you can see, within arm's length. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.